Every autumn, the San Juan Mountains of Colorado transform into a breathtaking symphony of color. Golden aspens blanket the hillsides, snow-dusted peaks pierce deep blue skies, and cool mountain air carries the distant call of elk. It's a landscape photographer's dream and the perfect setting for our Colorado Fall Photography Workshop. This year, our journey began on Red Mountain Pass, capturing layered stands of vibrant aspen with long lenses, each composition telling its own story. In a quiet forest near Ophir, we embraced the soft light of an overcast day, photographing the elegant curves of aspen trunks in perfect conditions. That evening at Dallas Divide, Golden Hour lived up to its name. At sunset, the clouds above the Sneffels Range lit up in vivid pink. And again the next morning, giving us back-to-back magic above the fall foliage. From wide mountain vistas to quiet forest details, every day brought new opportunities to explore. Sunrise on West Dallas Creek Road offered a compelling blend of eastern sky drama and classic Southwest Colorado mountain scenes. Middays during the workshop were spent refining skills through hands-on post-processing sessions, followed by afternoon and golden hour shoots at hidden gems. Here, we're working along the road over Owl Creek Pass. We chased morning light along Last Dollar Road, photographing the iconic Mount Wilson at sunrise to a rustic Colorado barn and an old antique gas pump. Afterward, we took a scenic gondola ride into Telluride for a well-earned late breakfast. Later that evening, we wrapped up the workshop with a final shoot along Dallas Creek Road, ending the week with another sunset and a sense of shared accomplishment. Led by photographer Andy Cook, this small group workshop was more than just a photography tour. It was about connection, discovery, and finding joy in the art of photography. Join us next autumn and experience the magic of Colorado in its most vibrant season.